Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nelly Hernandez here, and today we are going to do another video. I sort of have an idea of what I want to do, but of course, like always, I never really know what to do first. So my hair is looking kind of ridiculous. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the video, and I will be right back with foundation, primer, eyebrows did. Okay, so I am back and I have done my face, the whole base part. So one thing I wanted to do differently today is I wanted to apply my highlight on the brow bone first. So I'm going to use the Nomad highlight that I got from the Ipsy Glam bag. This one's really pretty. I got both of these in my Ipsy. I really like them, but today I'm gonna use this one. I was thinking for a long time, maybe try a different technique, because I'll apply the highlighted brow bone last, and I would find myself noticing I have to go back and grab my blender brush to soften out my eyeshadow. So we're gonna do this first and we'll see what happens, if I like this, doing this first or doing it after. So tap off the excess. So I'm gonna bring it all the way down here. I really love a highlighted brow bone. Hi there, hummingbird. We put on nectar outside in the patio for some hummingbirds to come, and they really love it. They come and they drink the nectar, and there's one specific hummingbird that just fights the other ones off. So I think we gotta buy an extra hummingbird feeder. So I haven't used this Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow yet. It's a really beautiful green, and I'll use it today. So I'm gonna go in with a green brown vibe. So I'm gonna wet my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and tap off the excess. I love it. It's really, really pigmented. So I'm gonna go in with Extra Bitter from Naked Palette. It's burnt orange color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my brow bone. The first step that I forgot to do, but it's all right, it's all right, it's all right. I'm gonna stamp that right there. Oh, I forgot about my coffee. Okay, so one thing that I like to do, and normally is kind of hard to accomplish, is put a thin layered line right here of a dark color, maybe black that will turn into like a gray or darker brown. So in this case, I'm going to use a darker brown. I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Edit, and my friend gave me this palette. And so I'm going to grab this dark brown right here. Not gonna wet my brush because that is a matte. With shimmers, you can wet your brush and it would be fine, but with mattes, you shouldn't wet your brush. So It's just gonna ruin the matte color and it's gonna look very chalky on your eye. Tap off the excess so you don't have a big blob right there. So start off with a little bit, then add more if you want more. So of course my technique always is dabbing the product on first, and then you can swipe. Then it's fine if it looks like that. You're just gonna go ahead and blend that out. And if you think you want more or whatever, go ahead and just add more. Just a little bit, like little dabs here and there to make it darker. I want to make it a little darker here in the inner corner right here. So you could just see transitions of colors from green to dark to like very light to the highlight. Back and forth motions with blending. I'm gonna grab, first I'm gonna do two colors on top of each other. So I'm gonna use this color right here. So tap out the brush. I wet my brush because it was a shimmer color. So we're gonna apply that color in the outer corner. When you do colors on the top, you wanna make sure they are not shimmers, that they are matte. That's the beauty of makeup, is just being creative with yourself. It's like painting a picture, but the picture is you, you know, you're the picture and you get to do whatever you want with your supplies, your paintbrushes, your paints, your, like I said, your brushes, I already said that, but makeup is an art, makeup is creativity, and just don't let anybody, whoever you are, stray you away from makeup, you know what I mean? If you have a passion for it, if you've always loved makeup, or even if you want to get started on it, please, please, please get started on it. Do it. The more practice you get, the better you become, and the more creative your creative side comes out, you know, the more creative you get. So there you go. Grab this brown shimmer shadow, so I'm gonna wet my brush again. So don't be scared to try new things, people. Don't ever be scared to try new things. You'll never know how you feel about it until you do it, you know? Okay, so I added a little bit more green. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that same green down here. Hopefully we get what we want. Yep. I applied it a little late, but yeah, there it goes. Eyeliner in the top and bottom water line.
Hello.
Okay, so then I added mascara. Hopefully you can see that. That's all I do. And then we're gonna use the Nomad highlight. Quiet, please. The Nomad highlight, and then highlight that inner corner. So I already put one layer first, and I'm gonna add another layer. We're gonna add blush, some highlight on the cheek, and then lips.
Hi.
My blush brush. And this is the Fura brush 50F. Okay. So highlight. We're gonna go ahead and use the O for a highlight. Lips.
It's a shiny one.
A little bit of lip gloss, a little tad of lip gloss for some moisture. So then I'm gonna add Sugar Cookie by Too Faced Melting Matte.
You can sell peanut. You can sell peanut. Those in.
So there it goes, everybody. We are all done. Here goes. We are looking a little snatched here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed being here with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah. So it's a little creasing. I'm a very wrinkly person. So if you really liked it and enjoyed my video today, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you guys are new here. I do prescribe I prescribe happiness. No. I do procrastinate a little bit, but I am definitely still here. So hopefully I'll be a little bit more productive with YouTube in the near future and stuff like that. So I am a busy mom. I have a part-time job in the nighttime, and I am a full-time mom for 3 kids. So I'm pretty busy, but I still like to glam myself up and look decent. You know, I'm not ready to let myself go just yet. Maybe at work, yeah, fine. But subscribe to my channel if you guys are new here, and welcome if you are new here. And I will see you guys in the next one, guys. So thanks, fam, for watching. Bye.